5 best new technologies for your business. For small business owners all over the world who compete head-to-head against big guns every day, technology is a vital tool that's leveling the playing field for these entrepreneurs. If technology is well implemented, small-scale businesses have the chance to scale up. The increasing use of internet, smartphones, app development, and other state-of-the-art technologies force many businesses to go online to serve a bigger audience. Here are the best techs for a small business owner to help increase profits and stay ahead of competitors. Virtual reality devices. Business ideas are better acknowledged when they are shown, not told. Businesses can use virtual reality devices to show designs, work together remotely, and develop things in relation to the real world. Wireless conference rooms. Every small and large company requires meeting spaces to discuss strategy and progress with the team. Nowadays, many companies are adopting a wireless solution for meetings that connects offices, team members, and clients no matter their location. Cloud computing. Cloud computing allows a centralized information database system that can be accessed through your laptop, tablet, smartphone, or any other device enabled on the internet. Through cloud computing technology, the entire workforce can connect with one another along with the data, functionality, or any other material needed. Wearable technology. Most of these wearable devices are dedicated to the health and fitness track. It gives businesses a new opportunity to encourage healthy and active lifestyles for their employees by equipping them with the wearable fitness trackers. It's impossible to predict how each technology will affect your business or your workforce. But it is essential to be aware of tech developments in the industry to go ahead before your competitor does. Be sure to subscribe.